I promised I'll be back with the results of manual incubator, and I'm so proud. On 18th day, I was advised to close it down for hatching period. That is 18th up to around 23rd. So they started hatching on the 19th day, and that's when I started seeing some chicks, and you can see them on the peeping window. On 22nd, I opened because I couldn't wait. Look at them. They were so good. They were bubbly, they were lively. On 23rd, I transferred them to the brooding space. Then I started cleaning the incubator from the topmost to the middle section to the bottom section. It was dirty because of the eggshells and the chick dirt. And after that, it was clean, as you can see, and it was ready for business. And just like that, I closed it down for a bit, and then that evening I did put some eggs. Those are fresh eggs, so I'll be back with round 2 results. I can't wait to see the magic that this time round it will perform, because I can proudly say this thing, it's working, and I can advise you to try. uh Not more than 7 days. And yo, if you want to believe that I'm happy with this incubator, you can see my second round is up. And I think today, as you're watching this is the third day. Yeah, so I'll be back with more news this time around because the eggs are fresh.